Hi, I'm Michael from Crazy LEDs. Today we're going to be looking at a Nissan Qashqai rear brake light board. Usually these suffer with water ingress below this line. I've replaced these two LEDs already. I'm just going to show you how to remove these corroded ones off and how to clean the board up and generally just replace the LEDs and get your light back to working again. If you find when you've removed any LEDs that you have some pins that haven't cleaned up very well, just use a sharp blade, etc. and just lightly scrape away the corrosion from the pads until the pad is nice and clean. And you can tin it with a bit of solder. If you have a loose pad like this, scratch. So I've cut the broken contact pad off here, just as a demonstration to show you what to do if the LEDs don't come off very well and you end up stuck with a broken pad. It's not the end of the world.